In this video, I am going to teach you how to install Windows 10 on a Linode server. So let's get started. First of all, you will have to click on Create Linode. Now make sure to select the cross in the images section. In the region, select any region that is near to you. I will select the mobile region. Now here you can select what type of virtual machine that you want. Do you want a virtual machine with 8 GB of RAM or 16 GB of RAM? I will click on the dedicated 8 GB. Now on the Linode label, type Windows 10 and then click on Create Linode. Now you can see that your Linode Windows 10 is being created. Now second step is to click on the storage and then click on add a disk and type Windows 10, then click on add. Now you can see that our Windows 10 disk has been added and it is currently resizing. You will have to wait for around 1 to 2 minutes. Here you can see the progress bar of your resizing. Currently it is on 32%. Now the process has been completed. Third step is to click on the configurations and then click on add configuration. Now label this as Windows 10. In the virtual machine section, click on full virtualization. In the boot settings, select the direct disk. Next, in the block device assignment, click on the disk as Windows 10. Then simply click on add configuration. The next step is to click on the 3 dots here and click on rescue. Now click on reboot into rescue mode. You can see that Linode rescue started. Currently it is rebooting, so you will have to wait until it is running. Now when it is showing as running, click on the launch list console. Now paste this command. I have provided this command in this video description. Here you can see the command. Simply copy this command from this video description and paste on the list console. Now it is currently downloading the Windows 10 from this link. As you can see, the progress is around 44% and it has a download speed of 16.5 MB. So it will take around 5 minutes to complete this process. When it is shown as 100%, then we will continue. So you will have to just wait on this page. Now you can see that the process is completed as it is showing 100%. So the next step is to click on the glist console. And you can see that booting from DVD CD. Welcome to GRUB. This means that our Windows 10 has been successfully installed. So next step is to click on the cross and reboot this machine. Click on reboot Linode. It will take some time to reboot. When you see that the machine is running, then this means that your Windows installation has been completed. Then simply click on the IP address and then copy the address. Search remote desktop in your computer and then paste the IP address of this machine. I have provided the default username and password for this Windows in this video's description. Just copy the username and password and paste into this. The username of this Windows is datnguyentv. Then click on connect. Then you will be asked to enter the password. Then enter the password. And then click on OK. Now you can see that this is your Windows RDP. Windows 10 has been installed on this computer. If you want to verify, you can click on properties, and here you can see that Windows 10. This means that your Windows process has been completed, and I have provided the default username and password. If you want to change the account name or password, simply search for control panel and then go on the change account type. If you want to change the account name, click on change the account name and then type any name that you want. Like I want to add Ahmed. Click on change name. As you can see, the Ahmed has been updated. If you want to change the password, you can simply go on change the password, provide the default password of this Windows and add a new password. So by following this video, you can easily install Windows 10 on a Linode server, as Linode do not provide the Windows installation by default, but you can install Windows by following the steps that I told you in this video. So I hope that you will like my video, and if you like my video, subscribe to our channel and give a big thumbs up on this video.